A potential financial burden looms over the citizens of Nairobi as a new revenue bill, outlined in the Nairobi City County Finance Bill 2023, awaits enactment. This bill, if passed, will usher in a series of changes that will necessitate Nairobians to dig deeper into their pockets to fulfill their tax obligations to the county government. The primary target of this bill is to augment the income generated from fees, charges, levies, and penalties within the city's transportation system, encompassing parking zones, drop-off and pick-up locations. Under the leadership of Governor Johnson Sakaja, the county administration is striving to boost revenue by modifying the fee structure for various parking zones, which will directly impact daily commuters and vehicle owners. Zone 1, which includes prime areas such as the Central Business District, Kajabe Street, Westlands, and more, is poised to experience substantial increases in parking fees. For instance, daily parking rates for saloon cars will surge from 200 to 300, vans and pickups will see a leap from 200 to 500, and lorry and minibus owners, with vehicles weighing up to 5 tons, will witness a substantial increase from 1,000 to 2,000. For heavier lorries exceeding 5 tons, the daily fee will rise to 3,000. Meanwhile, non-PSV buses will maintain their fee at 1,000, and trailers will experience a modest hike from 3,000 to 3,500. In contrast, Zone 2, which encompasses on-street parking at commercial hubs and other county market parking locations, is expected to undergo some reductions. Saloon car owners can expect their daily fees to drop from 200 to 100, while vans and pickups will experience a reduction from 200 to 150. Non-PSV buses will enjoy a more significant decrease, with their fees decreasing from 1,000 to 500. Lorries and minibuses weighing up to 5 tons will also benefit from this reduction, seeing their daily fees drop to 500. However, the daily fees for heavier lorries exceeding 5 tons will remain at 1,000, and trailers will incur a slight increase from 3,000 to 3,500. The bill also introduces new pricing structures for private seasonal on-street parking. Lorries weighing up to 5 tons will be subject to a 1-month fee of 12,500, a 3-month fee of 32,500, a 6-month fee of 60,000, and a 12-month fee of 112,500. Trailers, on the other hand, will face a 1-month fee of 75,000, a 3-month fee of 195,000, a 6-month fee of 360,000, and an annual fee of 675,000. Non-PSV buses will be required to pay 1-month fees of 25,000, 3-month fees of 65,000, 6-month fees of 120,000, and 225,000 annually. Tuk-tuk operators will also feel the pinch with monthly fees of 2,000, 3-month fees of 5,000, 6-month fees of 8,000, and annual fees of 14,000. Motorbike and scooter owners parking outside the CBD will face monthly fees of 1,000, 3-month fees of 2,500, 6-month fees of 4,500, and annual fees of 8,000. Loading and offloading zones in parking slots measuring 2.5 x 5 meters will see their annual fees increase to 250,000 from the previous 220,000. Similarly, reserved parking for private use within the same square meter will now cost $275,000 annually and $1,000 per day. The display of motor vehicles for sale on road reserves per square meter will incur higher annual fees, climbing from $10,000 to $15,000, $1,500 monthly, and a new daily fee of $100. In a move aimed at promoting convenience and accessibility, free on-street parking in non-automated areas around mosques located in both Zone 1 and Zone 2 will be available on Fridays from 12 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Additionally, churches in both zones will offer free parking for the entire day on Saturdays, and motorists will also enjoy fee waivers on Sundays and public holidays. The changes brought forth by the Nairobi City County Finance Bill 2023 also extend to rental fees for traders operating in Nairobi's bustling markets. Large stallholders in City Market will see their fees rise from $12,500 to $16,250, while those on balconies will face an increase from $4,500 to $5,850. Office space rentals will climb from $5,000 to $6,500, and shop owners will need to budget for an increase from $30,000 to $39,000. Moreover, those occupying spaces in the market will see their fees grow from $2,400 to $3,120, and various stall categories will experience rate adjustments. Stall 1 will cost $6,500, Stall 2 will be $8,450, Stall 3 will charge $13,000, and Stall 4 will increase to $16,900. Stall 5 will have traders pay $17,550, Stall 6 fee will climb to $18,200, Stall 7 will cost $32,500, and Stall 1B will rise to $15,600. In Dagoretti, along Ngong Road, traders in the relocation site will face a fee increase to $52,000 from the previous $40,000. Kenyatta Market will also undergo changes as hotels and butcheries will be subject to new fees of $1,500. Stall I will charge $1,040, Stall 2 will cost $1,300, and toilet facilities will see their fees double to $20,000 from $10,000. Meanwhile, in Mathurwa Market, rental fees for Stall I will rise to $3,900, Stall 2 will increase to $10,400, and Stall 3 will cost $13,000. The proposed Nairobi City County Finance Bill 2023 introduces significant changes that will impact residents' wallets across various sectors, particularly in transportation and local markets. As these changes unfold, citizens will need to adapt to the new financial landscape and carefully manage their expenses in light of these increased costs. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenya News channel.